How to Get Rich in Just 6 Months, the ultimate step-by-step guide. Imagine waking up 6 months from now with more money than you ever thought possible. No more worrying about bills, no more being stuck in a job you hate. Sounds impossible? It's not. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get rich in just 6 months, step by step. No fluff, no gimmicks, just real strategies that actually work. And the best part? You don't need a degree, special connections, or a lucky break. You just need to follow this blueprint and take action. Section 1. Mindset Shift. Thinking like the rich. The foundation of wealth isn't money, it's how you think about money. The biggest reason most people never become rich is that they have the wrong mindset. 1.1. The difference between rich and poor. Thinking poor people believe money is evil. They think wealth is for the lucky few. Rich people see money as a tool. They understand money is simply a means to freedom and impact. Poor people work for money. They trade time for money, working harder but never getting ahead. Rich people make money work for them. They focus on building assets and systems that generate income even when they're sleeping. Example: think of two people. 1. Person A works a 9-to-5 job for $50,000 per year. They save a little, but their salary never grows significantly. Second, person B builds an online business that generates $5,000 per month in passive income. Within 6 months, they have a system making money for them without working 24/7. The key difference? Person B focuses on leverage, making money without trading time. 1.2. The power of high-income skills. The fastest way to wealth is not through a job, but through high-income skills that people are willing to pay top dollar for. Top high-income skills to learn in 6 months. Copywriting, the art of writing words that sell. Sales and persuasion, the #1 skill of millionaires. Digital marketing, helping businesses get customers online. Software development and automation, coding and AI solutions. Trading and investing, crypto, stocks, forex. Action step: pick one skill, master it within 30 to 60 days, and start monetizing it. 1.3. Stop trading. Time for money. Most people work 40 hours per week for a paycheck. But if you want to be rich, you must stop thinking in hourly wages and start thinking in income-generating assets. Ways to stop trading: time for money, freelancing. Charge per project, not per hour. Starting a business. Sell a product service that can scale. Passive income streams. Digital products, YouTube, affiliate marketing. Section 2. Choosing your vehicle to riches. If you want to get rich in 6 months, you need the right money-making vehicle, not a low-paying job. 2.1. The best paths to getting rich. Fast 1. Freelancing and consulting. Sell your skill for fast cash. 2. E-commerce, dropshipping, Amazon FBA. Sell products online. 3. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn commissions. 4. Content creation, YouTube, blogging, TikTok. Build a brand and monetize traffic. 5. Investing in crypto and stocks. Multiply money strategically. Example: a beginner in copywriting can land clients paying $3,000 per project within months. With just 3 clients per month, that's $9,000 per month. Action step: pick one path, master it, and scale it fast. Section 3. Building rapid cash flow. You need cash, and you need it fast. Here's how to generate thousands within weeks. 3.1. Selling services. First, the fastest way to make money. The quickest way to start making money is selling services because no upfront investment needed, just your skills. Instant cash flow. Get paid today. How to find high-paying clients. 1. Cold outreach on LinkedIn, Twitter, and email. 2. Leverage freelance platforms, Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer. 3. Offer free work to land your first client, then charge premium rates. Example: a video editor starts at $50 per video. Within months, they charge $500 plus per video and make $10,000 per month. 3.2 Creating a scalable online business. Freelancing is great, but scalability is the key to real wealth. Top scalable online businesses. Selling digital products, ebooks, courses, templates. Print on demand and drop shipping. Sell products without inventory. Subscription models, membership sites, coaching programs. Example, a personal finance YouTuber creates a $97 course. If 500 people buy in 6 months, that's $48,500 in revenue. Section 4. Multiplying your money. You made your first $10,000. Now what? Multiply it. 4.1 Smart investing for fast growth investing is how the rich stay rich. Best high growth investments, crypto and stocks. High risk, high reward. Real estate, flipping or Airbnb, using other people's money, OPM. Cash flowing online businesses. Buy a YouTube channel, website, or Shopify store. Example, person A spends their first $10,000 on a new car. Person B invested into crypto and stocks, grows it to $30,000 in 6 months. 4.2 The power of reinvestment. Reinvest 80% of profits back into your business. Scale fast with ads and automation. Hire a team to multiply income. Example, a copywriter making $5,000 a month reinvests into hiring a sales team. Within months, they scale to $50,000 per month. Section 5. Building long-term wealth. The goal isn't just to make money, but to keep and grow it. 5.1 Avoiding lifestyle inflation. Don't buy liabilities, cars, luxury goods, too early. Delay gratification, reinvest first, spend later. 5.2 Mastering the art of wealth protection. Set up multiple bank accounts and LLCs. Invest in tax-efficient assets. Closing final message. You now have the step-by-step blueprint to getting rich in 6 months, but here's the truth. Most people will never take action. Will you? Step 1. Pick your high-income skill. Step 2. Monetize it. Step 3. Scale and reinvest. In 6 months, your life could be completely different. If you're serious about financial freedom, subscribe for more and comment below. What's your 6-month money goal? Let's make it happen.